In this video, we will learn how you can automatically share Instagram posts on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Now let's say you want every time you share a new post on Instagram, it should be shared on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook all at once. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically post Instagram media on Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a create workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write how to post Instagram media to Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn automatically. So now it will show you two windows, trigger and action. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a payment is received, an action can be send a confirmation message to the user. In our case, a trigger can be when a media is posted on Instagram, the action can be share the post on Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook. So now let us begin and select Instagram for Business as our trigger application. The trigger event here will be new media posted. Connect, add new connection, connect with Instagram. Okay, it says authorization successful. Why? Because I was already logged into my account there, so I did not have to give my credentials. And you will see it has auto-fetched in my Instagram account. I'll show you here. You can see Daniels Joe. This is my Instagram account. Okay, so now I will go to my Instagram and I will create a post, a new post here. So this is the picture that I have to post on Instagram. Let's go to next. I don't need any filters. The caption, I'm just going to write new laptop range launched. Okay, now I will just share. So it's posting. Yes, the post has been shared. You will see here on Instagram, new laptop range launched. Now let us come back to Pabbly and click on save and send test request. And you will see it will automatically capture the latest response, which is this. You will see here it has captured the account name, the username, then the media type is there. Then if you will scroll down, it has the image URL. This is the picture URL. And it also has the caption that it was new laptop range launched and so on. So this means we have successfully integrated Instagram for Business with Pabbly. Now on to our next step. That's going to be action step. Here we will select Twitter. Here's the Twitter. Here's Twitter. For the action event, we are going to select create tweet with media. So this will create a tweet with an image file. Now let us connect, add new connection and connect with Twitter. So I'm going to click on authorize app and since I was already logged into my Twitter account, I will not have to give my credentials. Now here we are going to map in a few details. Here it needs the caption, you can see. So that we are going to take from here. If I'll scroll down, you will see the caption here. But before we map in this, you must be thinking where exactly are we getting these details from. So for that, I will take you to step 1, where we integrated Instagram with Pabbly, did a test submission and Pabbly captured this response, the image URL and the caption. So Pabbly brought exactly same response over here so that we can map. So I'm going to take it from Instagram and you can see this is the caption. Okay, so since Twitter has character limit of 280, in case your caption goes beyond 280 characters, in case your caption goes beyond 280 character limit, so you can using this, you can use text formatter, and from there you can use Turncate. Using this you can edit your caption to as per this character limit. All right. Now coming back to media file URL. So remember, here it generated this URL, this image URL. So exactly this URL we will be using here. Okay. So this is the media URL and media category remains the same, image. The best part about mapping is once we have mapped in these details like the message and media file URL, from next time they will automatically be updated. So what happens when you create a new post, when you share a new post on Instagram the next time, in Twitter these fields, the caption and media file URL, they will auto pick the new caption and new file URL and you will not have to manually do it. Okay, so now let us just save and send test request. And you will see we have received the response. The status says this new laptop range launch, which we wanted. Then this is the category, file category is tweet image. You'll scroll down, this is the media file URL. Now let us go to Twitter and see if this post was actually shared there. So this is my Twitter account and you will see just 40 seconds ago, this post was shared, new laptop range launched. So now we have successfully integrated our Twitter with Instagram using Pabbly Connect. Now on to the next step. Okay, again we will select action step and now we will select here Facebook pages. So what we want, the moment a media is shared on Instagram, it should be shared on Twitter and after that on our Facebook page, on our Facebook business page. Okay, so here there you will see 3 action events. We are going to select create page photo. It adds image on your page with a description. So let us connect, add new connection and connect with Facebook pages. Authorization successful. Okay, so it is auto fetched my page, which is Pabbly. I'm going to show you this. I only have one page in my Facebook account, that is Pabbly, and therefore it has just automatically picked Pabbly. In case you have multiple pages linked to your account, you will get a drop down and you can select from the drop down the page on which you want to post the media. All right, now comes the photo URL. Again, we will repeat the previous step. We'll go to Instagram, scroll down, we'll pick it from this media URL. Okay, now it needs description. So again, we are going to go on Instagram. And if you'll scroll down, you will see this caption, new laptop range launched. All right. Now let us just click on save and send test request. And you will see we have received the response. It has generated this post ID. You can see this here. Now let us go to Facebook and see if the post was shared there. So this is my Facebook page, Pabbly. And you will see just now the post has been posted just now. New laptop range launched with the picture. Okay, so now we have also connected our Facebook pages with Instagram using Pabbly Connect. Now again on to the action step. Now we will select LinkedIn because we also want simultaneously the Instagram post should also be shared on our LinkedIn profile. Okay, so here again you will see 3 actions. So here we want share an article or URL. Let us connect. So we will go with add new connection. Connect with LinkedIn. And you will say authorization successful. Since I was already logged into my LinkedIn account, I will not have to give my credentials. Okay, so it has mapped this author name here, the profile. Now it needs content. So again, we will repeat the process. We will go to Instagram for business and it needs content here like you can see. So now you will scroll down and we will give the caption here, that is new laptop range launched. Again, article URL we'll take from Instagram. You'll scroll down, you will find media URL. Okay, visibility you can set as per your requirement. I'm going to go with public. So now let us just save and send test request. And you will see we have received the response. Pabbly captured the response and generated the ID here. You can see this share ID. Okay, now let us go to my LinkedIn account to see if the post was shared there. This is my LinkedIn profile. You can see. I'll scroll down and you will see the post was shared just now. New laptop range launched, and this is the image. So this means we have successfully integrated our LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter with Instagram using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com, and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.